welcome to Times of India, Amna.
Yes, thank you.
So tell me, how's the lockdown treated you? How was it for you?
Initially it was, obviously it was very different and very difficult for all of us, but I think we kind of got used to it. We got to spend a lot of time with the family, and I think everyone got really innovative with cooking and a lot of things that they like doing. But yes, I think it also taught us to value a lot of things in life that we never did, like the
Right.
smaller aspects of life. I would also like to take the positive aspect from it, that I really got to spend a lot of quality time with my family. So yeah, that's that.
एंड यू नो सिंस लॉकडाउन के वजह से काफी पेरेंट्स को अपने बच्चों के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करने का मौका मिला बिकॉज वर्किंग पेरेंट्स स्पेशली व्हेन यू वर शूटिंग daily soaps, you know, you're shooting 10-12 hours and kids are at school, so you hardly get time to spend with them. So did you
Right.
utilize this lockdown time to the fullest?
Absolutely. I have done everything what I haven't done for the longest of the time, from cooking to obviously, as I mentioned earlier, spending time with the family. And this time it was, I would say, you didn't have a lot of things back of your mind. Like normally हम अपनी life में सोचते रहते हैं, अच्छा भी इतने time हम घर पे रहेंगे, and then we step out, we have to do this, we have to do that. Back of the mind there are things always running.
Right.
That was a time you just for a year mentally, and as I also practice a lot of yoga and meditation. So the first thing it teaches you is that be in the moment right now. So that is what I think all of us got to do, that we were in the moment, we were living every moment, because we didn't have anything that we had to run to or to do things or any agendas.
Right. And how much did your son enjoy being with you?
Oh, he loves it. He absolutely loves it. Whenever I'm at home, he freaks out.
Okay. You know, Amna, shooting shuru hui. 5 months we were at our comfort zone at home. Luckily, we did not step out, and you know, we were not exposed to meeting too many people. But when shooting resumed, were you skeptical in the initial days कि मैं जाऊं या नहीं जाऊं, क्या करना चाहिए मुझे?
I was very scared. I was very scared till a day before when I was going to go to shoot, because you have it's a situation where you've been at home, it's not right for you to step out. It's not that's what all of us practice, that we should not be stepping out because we need to control this whole scenario for it to spread further. So you have mentally prepared yourself that you have to be home and this is the safe environment.
Right.
And suddenly after so many months you have to, because that was a prior commitment of mine.
Right.
So of course I had to fulfill it, and I was very scared. I was skeptical, I was scared, I was nervous, I was anxious. You can say everything possible. I've had sleepless nights 2 days before I was going to head for shoot. But again, I feel it's important on our part also to fulfill your commitments, to go out there, but not at the cost of obviously your own safety, other safety as well. So yes, you have to take care of and do the precautionary measures. Like it's become double than what we used to do normally, because everything has to be sanitized. The mask has to be on most of the times.
Right.
Before, only the mask is when we are in front of the camera. And we need to sanitize all the products that we use. We need to sanitize the place that we sit in, where we are. So everything is in the beginning, it was really difficult and something completely new that you've never done in your life, and everything was like, okay, should I be sitting here? Should I not be sitting here? Should I be going there? It was not an easy scenario at all.
एंड आपके लिए तो ज्यादा चैलेंजिंग हुआ क्योंकि जब आप शूट पे गए तो one of your co-actors was tested positive, then one of your
Right.
staff member was tested positive. How did you maintain that positivity in your head?
No, it takes a toll over you, and not only me, it was my entire family who went through a different level of stress, which probably it was a different level of stress. I can't even tell you the kind of stress that we went through. I mean, I don't think we slept for 5-6 nights.
Oh.
Because my staff member was staying with me in my house.
Oh.
And we got to know after 5-6 days after we we started shooting that he was positive. Then we had to get him in the quarantine center, organize all of those things. But yes, I mean, now it's I feel this is now a part of your life. You have to now live with this. You cannot run away from it. You cannot at the same time just be like, okay, I'm not doing this, I'm not going to be stepping out of my house, I'm not going to do this. No, you have to now go out there and do things.
Right. And also with Kasauti, shooting बहुत मुश्किल से सारे TV shows की शुरू हुई. Then it's you guys started shooting it. Then there came a time when Parth was tested positive, and again it got stopped. So कितना challenging रहा है to cope up with this situation?
It's been a roller coaster thing for us because we started shooting. Everyone was obviously nervous going on the sets. Somehow we managed to start shooting, and then unfortunately my co-star tested positive, and then my staff member tested positive, and then we had to quarantine ourselves. But there was a telecast issue, and so there was no other option than me shooting from home, which I have never done before. Doing a photo shoot at home, or just shooting yourself and doing proper scenes which is going to be on air, on television. It's a different ballgame altogether. Doing up the whole thing from lighting to your makeup, to your hair, to your sound, everything by yourself. It was really difficult, but somehow we had to do that because there was no other option. There was a telecast issue.
Right.
Then doing that, then overcoming the fear again of going on the set and restarting the shoot. It's not been a very easy thing altogether.
And who helped you while working from home?
Fortunately, my husband is from the same profession, so
yes.
He was a huge help. My sister was staying with us, so she helped me. I don't think it would have been possible all by myself for sure.
And did you face challenges like your son coming in between and he wants your attention? Did you face that kind of because as mothers we tend to no, luckily you didn't.
No, I didn't.
Okay. Talking about the new norm, that's you guys are working with new guidelines. Do you miss that
Right.
moments where किसी के भी कमरे में बैठ गए, lunch session साथ में हो गए, किसी को भी हक कर लिया, प्यार आया तो?
Absolutely, because there was so much of warmth, there was so much of bonding earlier, which we don't get to do now, where we would sit and we would have lunch together, where after shots we would look forward to कि जब break मिले, we would sit together and we would just talk to each other and all of that, which we don't get to do now. And I just hope that things get back to normal, so we get to do all of this. I completely miss all of that on the set. Absolutely.
And as Amna, as an actress, do you take the TRP pressure? Because with Kasauti, it has been up and down graph. When it started, it was on ratings बहुत अच्छे थे, फिर नीचे गए. During the lockdown, एकदम नीचे चले गए. अभी थोड़ा track पे आ रहा है. So, as an actress, do you take the TRP pressure?
No, not really. I've not ever taken. I don't really take it. I just feel what gives me contentment and happiness is that I'm going on the set, I'm doing a good scene and coming back home with that the feeling of being content that okay, fine, today I had good day of work. That is all that matters for me as an actor.
With so many rumors and reports floating around Kasauti कि बंद हो रहा है, actors replace हो रहे हैं, actors quit कर रहे हैं, where do you see the future of Kasauti according to you?
I have no idea. I don't get into all of that.
You concentrate on your work.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. And on personal level, were you always inclined toward fitness, yoga, or it has been, you have recently?
I was always inclined towards fitness. Yes, I used to work out. I used to go to the gym and do other freehand exercises, but not that much into yoga. But yoga has been a huge part of my life since almost 3 years now. And I see the change in myself. It has made a huge difference, not only the way I look, but also the way I feel. So I think it has made a lot of difference in my life.
And Amna, as a mother, do you sometimes have this guilt of leaving your kid at home and going to work? Do you face that iconic mother guilt?
Yes, every day. I think I would tell myself, okay, it would end after a month or two once I resumed work. But no, I think every mother goes through it.
And how do you
especially when you wake up and they catch you before you leave? When they come to you, they give you that hug and they say, Mama, please don't go today. Your heart melts and you feel like, okay, what are you doing? And you just want to be back. But again, see, I think this is what every mother faces. Not only from my profession, I think from every profession.
Yes. But how do you overcome it?
I don't know, just okay, fine, go work and come back and spend time. That's what you need to tell yourself mentally.
Achha, talking about TV shows, if you look at your career graph, Amna, starting from Kahin To Hoga to now, when you look back at your journey, what do you want to say?
I wouldn't want to change a single thing about my journey. I think I got the best launch ever anyone could ever think of from Kahin To Hoga. Kashish's character. Still, I don't know, somehow that character has been so hugely popular that somehow still people call me as Kashish.
Yes.
It's surprising, it is overwhelming at the same time, and I'm happy that I couldn't have done a better role than Kashish as my launch. I have been fortunate enough to do some great cinema, to do some great movies, and and I'm the happiest that I'm playing Kamalika right now.
So when Ekta offered you this role of Kamalika, your character in Ek Villain had this thoda sa mean streak, but Kamalika is out and out negative. So were you at the first go, were you ready to take up the challenge?
I was, first my reaction was like, for me, Kamalika. But then I thought over it and I knew that this would be, I always actually wanted to do a negative role. I mean, Salochana from Ek Villain was grey, but she was not all out mean and negative. Yes. I think that was more of Ritesh. But yes, of course, she had shades of grey, and that was the first time I was actually playing a grey character, and I had loved that. And I knew then that, okay, I mean, whenever I decide to sign something and if I get something negative, I would want to do it because I want to try that, because it's always been sweet, it's always been positive, and it's always been romance for me. And as an actor, I think you need to take that step where you do something completely different, where you tell yourself, because all this was completely new to me, wherein all those mean expressions and the way Kamalika is. So I immediately accepted the challenge that, okay, fine, this is the best thing that I could ever do. And that's how I took up Kamalika.
When you were starting your journey, Amna, did you face any hurdle? How has been your journey? A smooth sailing one, or you had your rough time in the beginning?
I've had my rough times also, but as I said, I was fortunate. I was lucky enough to do Kashish. It just happened. It was destiny. Because before that, I did 1 or 2 ads. I was very new. I didn't have anyone. I didn't know how the industry functions. I didn't go through any of the acting courses. Nothing. I was in college. I mean, and I got the show. I went ahead with it. I was very bad as a performer, as an actor. Ekta really had a lot of patience and made me go through all the workshops because I had no experience, zero experience. And that's how I think I started growing and everything started falling into place, wherein the music videos were concerned, the ads were concerned. So that is how things started happening. So yeah, television was obviously, it was not easy, it was difficult because I had no experience, so I had to really work on myself. I had to really work on for the character. Post that, films, Aloo Chaat was my debut. I got that film because of the fame of Kashish. I mean, they saw me in Kashish and they thought that I would be perfect for the role of the movie Aloo Chaat. Post that, yes, it was very difficult for me because I didn't, as I said, I didn't have anyone from the industry to guide me, to tell me to do this. I didn't even have a manager.
Oh.
So that was a difficult phase. One, when I can think of a difficult phase to get the right kind of work, to get the right kind of projects, which I also experienced recently, like a year and a half ago, when I planned to come back after that break that I took when I had a baby. That was difficult because a lot of people thought that, okay, fine, if she's taken a break, her career is over. And so a lot of projects were there. I mean, some of them were there which I liked, which didn't work out. There were some of them which I was like, okay, fine, this is not where completely my heart is, and I want to be there and totally love the project for me to go ahead with it. So yeah, it wasn't that easy. That's the reason it took me about a year and a half to decide what I really want to do and sign on the thing that I really love.
So how did you keep your sanity maintained, during the time when there were not good projects coming your way? You cracked Aloo Chaat, but things, didn't go the way it should have been. And कहीं ना कहीं मैं ऐसे बोल सकती हूँ कि you did not get your due in the industry. I feel that because you have been a good actor, but आपको लगता है कहीं ना कहीं वो due नहीं मिला जो मिलना चाहिए था, और उस समय आपने कैसे वो maintain करके रखा balance?
I'm a very positive person, so I just feel, you have your breakdowns. I think it's normal. You have your share of things that where you feel insecure, you go through mixed emotions where you feel insecure, you feel that, okay, fine, probably it's not going to happen, this is the end of it, and and this is the only thing that I've done in my life. I've always been an actor. So you go through those things where you feel, okay, are you going to be getting work, or you're not going to be getting work? But at the same time, I think I'm also very spiritual. I do my things. So that is what, somewhere you have to find a balance that just keeps you stable and just keeps you like, I'm also a very grounded person. So all those things really help, and you just feel, be positive, things will happen. What is in your destiny, that is going to happen.
एक टाइम था जब हमारे इंडस्ट्री में बहुत सारे मिथ्स और स्टीरियोटाइप्स बने हुए थे कि व्हेन यू आर मैरिड यू वोंट गेट गुड प्रोजेक्ट्स, व्हेन यू डिलीवर अ बेबी उसके बाद तो आपका करियर खत्म ही हो गया. एक्ट्रेसेस के लिए बहुत सारे मिथ्स प्री कंसीव्ड मिथ्स बना के रखे थे लोगों ने. Do you think with time things are changing, and with actresses like you, Kareena Kapoor, Neha Dhupia, you guys are still working after delivering a baby, after getting married, and you are having successful careers?
It's not been easy for me. As I said, once I decided to get back to work, it took me about a year and a half, 2 years to actually take up the right role that I really wanted to, because people thought, okay, now she's married, that means she doesn't want to work. People had that misconception, even after Ek Villain. And especially after a baby, they have that thing, like I met a couple of people who actually told me that you have a baby now, and I don't think your career is there. They made me actually feel that, and I was like shaken. I was taken aback that do these things really exist now? Because but they do, unfortunately, which we need to I think it would change eventually with time, but it has not completely gone, I would say.
But
they put you in that thing, that okay, fine, if you have a baby now, matlab aap abhi sirf I mean, though I didn't get that, but I think people have that concept that just because you're a mother, in personal life you are only like, you would probably only do like a mother's role on screen, which is a very sad scenario, I think.
Do roles वैसे ही roles offer होते हैं?
होता है ऐसे, मुझे कुछ projects हुए थे offer, and so I would not say कि नहीं, but it does happen. People, I don't know why do people come with that thing that I think you should offer a person the role what the person is, whatever,
Thank you so much, Amna. It was great talking to you, and best wishes for your future.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you.